there, it's Malcolm Holmes, General Manager at Great Central Railway, and I've got an important update about reunification, and I really wanted to deliver it to you myself. In 2026, we want to get building again towards our reunification goals, and this is where we're going to start next. Behind me is the Pressy Spark factory car park, and we're going to be building a bridge over that. And then following that, we're going to cross Railway Terrace Road. And that bridge over Railway Terrace is quite a substantial bit of engineering. It needs to be high enough to allow the bin lorries to pass to get to the tip the other side. One of the big advantages with building on this road is that pretty much everybody in Loughborough, when they're going to and from the tip, will be driving on this road. So the visibility for the project will be phenomenal. So let's talk about the money. Now we think it's going to cost about £3.5 million to do the factory flyover and the bridge over Railway Terrace. We've had those numbers checked by a quantity surveyor several times, so we know that they are pretty spot on. We've got about £2.6 million in the bank thanks to your generosity in the past, so we're starting from a really good place. We need another £900,000 so that next summer we can get the contractors here on site and building. We know that you want to see reunification built, like us, but we can't do it without the money. This is the opportunity to make it all happen, and we need your help. Can you help us find that £900,000 by summer next year? If so, the QR code is on the screen now. Literally any pound that's donated takes us that step further forward and makes that bridge a reality. So don't forget, we've got planning consent, we've done the ground investigation work, and there's nothing standing in the way of us getting that work done, except we just need the money. Thanks very much for your time as always. I look forward to sharing more reunification news with you very soon.